Okay, hi guys, sorry my hair is a bit in a mess today. So it's about dinner time now, it's around 7:30, almost 7:30, and I'm gonna be cooking dinner tonight. And tonight I'll be making my grandmother's recipe for Mee Sua. So I'll be calling this MA'S MEE SUA. Okay? So now I'll show you the ingredients you'll need for the recipe for Mee Sua. Right, so these are the ingredients for the Mee Sua. So we have Mee Sua Noodles over here, and we have Toman Fish, chicken broth, Dashi, which is like a Japanese fish broth. We have corn flour, we have white pepper, fish sauce, and for a little bit of a sauce later, we have Chilli Padi, and we have a light soya sauce. So let's get started. But I completely missed this out. Ginger. You need ginger. So some random facts. Sometimes how I do my food shots, I attach my tripod to here, and this is a ladder. This is where I'll be chopping the food, and I'll just be sort of attaching it here since this thing is sort of flexible and it can kind of wrap around, if any of you guys are wondering. Alright, so right now I'm editing and I'm doing a voiceover. So right now you need some ginger. So just chop about 2 thumb-sized gingers, fat thumb-sized, and then you just use a spoon to peel it, like how I peeled it the last time when I made the basil pork, and I used the ginger for the coconut rice. So just do it like how I showed you in the previous video. Just take a spoon and peel it. Very simple. Okay, so once you're done with that, you want to take your Toman fish, add cornstarch and mix, fish oil, a lot of pepper, and mix. If you have eaten Mee Sua before, sometimes the broth can be very peppery, and I am a fan of that. So that's why I add a lot of pepper to the fish, so the fish has some peppery notes as well as the broth. Alright, so after you've heated that pan with oil, and just add your ginger from just now, fry it until the aroma of the ginger comes out. This will be useful into the soup later. Alright, so now you want to add 1 liter of chicken stock into a pot, and this serves 3 people. Then after that you will want to add some water as well. Okay, so now you want to cover the pot with the lid and then just wait until the broth boils. Okay, so now you want to add your dashi, and whoa, okay, that almost went over. So this will flavor the soup, and since I'm using a fish soup, this will sort of give it a umami element to the soup, which is absolutely delicious. Okay, so now you want to add your 2 slices of ginger in there, and sort of just mix the dashi and the ginger around, and you should be good. So you probably guessed it. No, you didn't. Now you want to add your white pepper, and my grandmother loves peppery things, so do I. So this is a very good combination. And always along the way you want to taste your food. So if you want to customize it, if you want it less peppery, add more water. If you want it more of a brothy taste, add more chicken stock. But personally, I love the taste which was already in there. And now it's time to cook the noodles. So just put a sieve in there, and then I'm going to put in the Mee Sua noodles, and I'm just gonna cook them for about 2 minutes. It doesn't need to be cooked for so long since the noodles are already so thin. Alright, so you want to add some spoonfuls of fish, and you just want to cook them for about 30 seconds to 1 minute because the fish is sliced so thinly. And something that I forgot to mention, you add cornstarch or corn flour to ensure that the fish is slightly smoother. And my grandmother's food has to be top notch, and it always is. So it's optional, but I rather do it. My grandmother rather do. Okay, so now for the garnishing, I'm going to add some cilantro and some bawang goreng, which is fried onions, and which makes the mee sua delicious. Okay, now for the last part, the dipping sauce for the fish. So you want to add some chilli padi and some soya sauce, and you're good to go. Very simple. Alright, so now the mee sua is ready, and I'm gonna add a little more fried onions, bawang goreng into here. Gonna mix it up, and you can't see. So you have the mee sua here. It's a bit hot. Very small bite. It's very peppery. The ginger flavor is out there. I'm gonna try it with the chilli padi. I'm gonna try it with the chilli padi.
I immediately regret this decision.
It's so much nicer with the chilli padi because there's a spicy note in there. So I'm gonna try the fish. This one only 30 seconds to a minute for cooking. Delicious. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. The recipe is in the description below for MA'S mee sua. And peace.